This 2024 Grand Design Imagine 3100RD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 35 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleep 6, water heater, external shower, LP detector, auxiliary battery, skylight, smoke detector, microwave, spare tire kit, awning, air conditioning, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Imagine 3100RD is 7,778 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.